Redwood Active Batch Online Training. Introduction to Redwood Active Batch. Redwood Active Batch is an advanced workload automation and job scheduling platform designed to help businesses automate and orchestrate complex IT processes. It is used to streamline and optimize the execution of batch jobs, workflows, and business processes across various environments, including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid infrastructures. Active Batch is built to manage and integrate diverse technologies, ensuring that businesses can automate their operations across applications, systems, and services. Key features of Redwood Active Batch. Cross-platform integration. Active Batch supports integration with various platforms, applications, databases, and cloud services, ensuring seamless coordination between systems. Automated job scheduling. Users can schedule tasks or workflows to run automatically based on predefined conditions, eliminating manual intervention and ensuring efficiency. Business process automation. Active Batch provides tools to automate entire business processes, streamlining repetitive tasks and reducing errors. It helps in integrating complex processes across different departments. Real-time monitoring and alerts. It offers real-time monitoring of workflows and provides alerts in case of job failures or issues, enabling proactive management. Workflow orchestration. Active Batch supports advanced workflow orchestration, allowing users to design, execute, and manage workflows that span multiple systems, applications, and departments. Cloud and hybrid support. It is designed to work seamlessly with both on-premises environments and cloud services like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, supporting hybrid environments and enabling the automation of cloud-native applications. Security and compliance. Active Batch ensures robust security features such as role-based access control, RBAC, and audit trails to support compliance with regulatory requirements. Self-service interface. The platform provides a user-friendly interface, allowing business users and IT teams to create, monitor, and modify workflows without extensive coding or technical expertise. AI and machine learning capabilities. Active Batch leverages AI and ML to optimize job scheduling and predict failures, helping businesses improve operational efficiency. Use cases. IT process automation, automating system maintenance, data backups, and application deployments. Business operations, streamlining cross-department workflows from finance to supply chain operations. Cloud automation, managing cloud resources, provisioning, and scaling operations in real time. Data management, orchestrating data integration, ETL processes, and data pipeline automation. Features and benefits of Redwood Active Batch. Redwood Active Batch is a robust workload automation and job scheduling platform designed to streamline business processes across a variety of IT environments. It provides a unified approach to orchestrating complex workflows, automating tasks, and ensuring efficiency in enterprises. Below are the key features and benefits of Redwood Active Batch. Key features. Automated workflow orchestration enables the automation of business workflows across multiple systems, applications, and environments. Supports complex, multi-step processes with conditional logic, allowing businesses to integrate and automate a wide range of tasks. Cross-platform support. ActiveBatch can run jobs across different platforms, including on-premises, cloud-based systems, or hybrid environments. It supports a wide variety of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Provides real-time visibility into job execution status and operational workflows. Configurable alerts and notifications ensure that IT teams are notified of issues or anomalies in the system, enabling faster problem resolution. Integration with existing tools and applications. ActiveBatch integrates with a broad range of applications, databases, and tools such as ERP systems, SAP, Oracle, and custom scripts. Supports integrations with cloud-based services, example AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, facilitating hybrid cloud automation. API and extensibility. Offers APIs and a set of connectors for custom integrations, enabling businesses to extend its functionality. Users can create their own custom actions or tasks, increasing flexibility and adapting the tool to specific business needs. Event-driven automation. Automates workflows based on triggers from events such as file uploads, changes in system data, or scheduled times. Supports the ability to automate responses to external events or internal system alerts. Multi-tier job scheduling. Facilitates complex scheduling needs with features like dependent tasks, job chains, and parallel execution. Ensures optimized scheduling to avoid delays or bottlenecks in processing. Audit and compliance reporting. Provides detailed logs and audit trails, essential for compliance with regulations. Helps in ensuring transparency and accountability in automated processes. Self-service interface. Allows non-technical users to configure and monitor workflows using an intuitive web interface. Reduces the burden on IT teams by empowering business users to manage and oversee simple automations. Cloud and hybrid IT automation. Supports automation in both on-premises and cloud environments, facilitating seamless orchestration across diverse infrastructure types. Ensures that workflows continue to run smoothly, regardless of where the resources reside. Redwood ActiveBatch Workflow Automation. Redwood ActiveBatch is an enterprise-grade workload automation and job scheduling solution that offers comprehensive workflow automation. It helps organizations automate and orchestrate business processes, data flows, and IT tasks across multiple platforms and systems. Below are some key features and aspects of Redwood ActiveBatch Workflow Automation. Key features. Centralized workflow automation. ActiveBatch allows you to create, monitor, and manage workflows from a single interface. It automates processes that span across different applications, platforms, and environments, example cloud, on-premises, hybrid. Event-driven scheduling. ActiveBatch supports event-driven automation, allowing workflows to be triggered by specific events or conditions such as file arrivals, system status changes, or time-based schedules. Cross-platform integration. ActiveBatch integrates with a wide range of applications, databases, and systems, including cloud platforms, example AWS, Azure, ERP systems, example SAP, Oracle, and data management tools, example Hadoop, SQL Server. Graphical Workflow Designer. The intuitive drag-and-drop graphical interface enables users to design complex workflows without requiring coding. This allows both technical and non-technical users to manage and build workflows. Job scheduling. Automated job scheduling features allow for the running of tasks at specific intervals, ensuring that all processes are handled on time and with minimal manual intervention. Error handling and notifications. Active Batch includes error handling features to manage failures, such as automatic retries and email or SMS notifications to alert teams about issues or delays in workflows. Cloud automation. It offers seamless automation capabilities for both on-premise and cloud-based workloads, making it ideal for hybrid IT environments. Reporting and auditing. ActiveBatch provides built-in reporting tools that enable users to track and audit workflow performance. This is useful for troubleshooting and compliance purposes. Security and compliance. The solution includes robust security features like role-based access control, RBAC, ensuring that only authorized users can view or modify workflows. Benefits of using ActiveBatch for workflow automation. Improved efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks and processes, ActiveBatch helps to reduce human error and increase operational efficiency. Scalability. The platform is designed to handle complex workflows and scale with growing business needs, supporting both small and large enterprises. Cost savings. Workflow automation reduces manual work, leading to cost savings in terms of time and labor. Faster decision-making. Automation streamlines the flow of information, enabling faster decision-making and response to events. Use cases. Data processing. Automating the ETL, extract, transform, load, processes, database maintenance, and data reporting. IT operations. Managing system backups, software deployments, patch management, and IT resource scheduling. Business operations. Orchestrating finance, HR, and customer service workflows such as payroll processing, invoicing, and order fulfillment. Integrations with Redwood ActiveBatch. Redwood ActiveBatch is an enterprise job scheduling and workload automation platform that integrates with various tools and systems to streamline workflows across IT environments. ActiveBatch provides powerful integration capabilities to enhance automation and orchestrate tasks across applications, databases, and cloud platforms. Here are some of the key integrations available with Redwood ActiveBatch. 1. Cloud platforms. Amazon Web Services, AWS integrate with AWS services for automating cloud-based workloads such as EC2 instances, Lambda functions, and S3 buckets. Microsoft Azure. Integration with Azure allows the automation of tasks like provisioning resources, managing Azure Blob Storage, and triggering Azure functions. Google Cloud Platform. GCP ActiveBatch supports GCP integrations for managing tasks across Google Cloud resources and services. 2. Databases. Oracle. Integration with Oracle databases for job execution and management, including running SQL queries and scripts. SQL Server. Automate SQL Server tasks like database backups, data extraction, and reporting. MySQL PostgreSQL supports automating database tasks in MySQL and PostgreSQL, including maintenance and batch processing. SAP HANA integrates with SAP HANA to automate tasks within SAP environments. 3. Enterprise applications. SAP ActiveBatch integrates with SAP to automate workflows related to SAP A/3 SAP S/4HANA and other SAP components. Oracle eBusiness Suite enables automating jobs related to Oracle applications like financial and procurement tasks. ServiceNow ActiveBatch can integrate with ServiceNow for IT service management automation, triggering workflows and processes based on ServiceNow incidents or changes. 4. Business intelligence and analytics tools. Informatica integrates with Informatica for automating data integration workflows, including data extraction, transformation, and loading (ETL) processes. Tableau ActiveBatch can automate Tableau tasks such as generating reports and refreshing data sources. Power BI integration with Power BI to schedule report generation and manage automated data refreshes. 5. DevOps and development tools. Jenkins automate Jenkins builds and CI/CD pipelines directly from ActiveBatch. GitHub GitLab integration with Git repositories to trigger jobs based on changes in code repositories, facilitating continuous integration. Docker ActiveBatch can automate Docker container deployments and orchestrate containerized workloads. Kubernetes automate Kubernetes deployments, scaling, and management tasks. 6. ERP and CRM systems. Salesforce integration with Salesforce for automating data synchronization, report generation, and other CRM-related tasks. Microsoft Dynamics 365 ActiveBatch can automate workflows across different modules of Dynamics 365, including finance, operations, and sales. Security and compliance in Redwood ActiveBatch. Redwood ActiveBatch offers robust security and compliance features designed to meet enterprise-grade requirements. Key aspects include user authentication and role-based access control. RBAC ActiveBatch provides granular control over user roles and permissions, allowing administrators to enforce security policies that restrict access to sensitive data and functions based on user roles. Integration with Active Directory and LDAP is supported for centralized authentication. Audit trails and logging. The platform logs all user activity and job execution, providing a comprehensive audit trail. These logs are crucial for compliance with standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX. They track actions like job submissions, status changes, and user access, making it easy to review and analyze for security and compliance purposes. Data encryption. ActiveBatch supports encryption for data at rest and in transit. This ensures that sensitive data is protected both within the system and during communication between components. Compliance with industry standards. Redwood ActiveBatch complies with several security and regulatory standards, including GDPR for data privacy, HIPAA for healthcare data security, SOX for financial reporting, PCI DSS for payment card data security, multi-factor authentication. MFA Active Batch supports MFA for additional security during the login process, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access the system. Secure job execution and scheduling. The platform ensures that jobs, tasks, and workflows are executed in a secure environment with safeguards to prevent unauthorized or unintended execution of critical processes. Disaster recovery and high availability. Active Batch provides features like failover and backup mechanisms, ensuring data integrity and business continuity in the event of a disaster, which is crucial for compliance with operational standards. Redwood Active Batch monitoring and alerts. Redwood Active Batch offers robust monitoring and alerting capabilities to ensure smooth operation of workflows and automation tasks. Here's an overview of how Active Batch handles monitoring and alerts. Job monitoring. Active Batch provides real-time monitoring of jobs and workflows. Users can track the status of each task, monitor resource utilization, and view detailed execution logs. This helps identify any issues or delays in job execution. Alerting. Alerts can be configured to notify users in case of failures, delays, or other anomalies during job execution. These notifications can be sent via email, SMS, or through other integrated messaging systems. Alerts can be set based on specific conditions, such as job completion errors, resource thresholds, or custom triggers. Performance monitoring. Active Batch allows you to monitor the performance of automation tasks by tracking metrics such as job duration, system resource usage, and throughput. This data can be used for performance tuning and optimizing workflows. Event management. Active Batch supports event-driven automation, allowing you to trigger specific actions based on predefined events. This feature enables automatic remediation actions, such as restarting a job or notifying a support team in case of failures. Customizable dashboards. Active Batch provides customizable dashboards for visualizing the status of workflows, job performance, and system health. These dashboards offer an at-a-glance overview of the entire automation environment. Audit logs. Detailed audit logs help track historical job performance and alert history, providing insights into past issues and allowing for better troubleshooting and compliance. Performance optimization in Redwood Active Batch. Performance optimization in Redwood Active Batch, a workload automation platform, focuses on improving the efficiency, scalability, and responsiveness of processes and tasks managed within the system. The platform is designed to handle complex, time-sensitive workflows and large-scale batch processing across diverse environments. Optimizing performance in Active Batch involves several strategies and best practices. 1. Resource management and scaling. Cluster configuration. Ensure that your Active Batch environment is properly scaled by using clustering to distribute workloads across multiple servers. This helps balance resource consumption and prevents a single point of failure. Load balancing. Implement load balancing across various Active Batch servers or agents. Distribute tasks evenly to avoid overloading any particular node. Resource monitoring. Continuously monitor system resources, CPU, memory, disk, network, using Active Batch's built-in monitoring tools to identify bottlenecks or underutilized resources that can be optimized. 2. Job scheduling and prioritization. Job dependency optimization. Review job dependencies to ensure that tasks are scheduled in the most efficient order. Avoid circular dependencies and unnecessary delays in job execution. Job scheduling granularity. Set appropriate intervals for scheduling tasks to prevent too many tasks running at once, which can lead to resource contention. Fine-tune job schedules to avoid spikes in load. Resource reservations. For resource-intensive tasks, consider reserving resources during off-peak hours to optimize performance and prevent interference with other jobs. 3. Workflow design optimization. Modular workflows. Break complex workflows into smaller, modular jobs. This allows the system to run specific parts of the workflow independently, increasing execution speed and making it easier to troubleshoot performance issues. Parallel execution. Leverage active batches support for parallel execution to run multiple tasks simultaneously, especially when tasks are independent of each other. Task dependencies and conditions. Set appropriate conditional triggers and task dependencies to avoid unnecessary waiting times or redundant processes that could slow down execution. 4. Efficient use of agents and integrations. Agent optimization. Ensure active batch agents are properly configured and deployed across the infrastructure. Optimize agent placement to ensure tasks run on the most suitable systems. Use of remote agents. For distributed systems or cloud environments, utilize remote agents to execute tasks locally rather than relying on a central system. This minimizes network overhead and speeds up processing times. 5. Database performance and optimization. Database optimization. Active Batch relies on database systems, example SQL Server, Oracle, for storing and retrieving task data. Optimize database queries, indexes, and configurations to reduce retrieval times and improve data processing speeds. Database cleanup. Regularly clean up database logs, job history, and temporary data to ensure that the database is not overloaded with unnecessary information. This will reduce the time spent on queries and improve overall system performance. 6. Optimizing logging and monitoring. Reduce verbose logging. Excessive logging can introduce performance overhead. Configure logging levels to capture essential information without overburdening the system. Why choose ProExcellency for Redwood Active Batch online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Redwood Active Batch online training offers several key advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often employs industry-experienced trainers who bring practical insights and in-depth knowledge of Active Batch, ensuring that you gain both theoretical and hands-on expertise. Comprehensive curriculum. The training is designed to cover all aspects of Active Batch, from the basics to advanced features, ensuring that you gain a full understanding of the tool's capabilities. It likely includes job scheduling, automation, and integration with other enterprise applications. Flexible online learning. ProExcellency typically offers flexible online learning options, which means you can learn at your own pace from anywhere and at times that suit your schedule. Interactive learning environment. The training is likely to be highly interactive, with live sessions, real-world case studies, demos, and possibly even one-on-one mentoring. This ensures you get personalized attention and clear understanding. Cost-effective, ProExcellency's online training might be more affordable compared to other training providers, while still offering high-quality content and certifications. Certification. Upon completion, you might receive a certification that can enhance your career prospects by validating your skills with active batch automation. Post-training support. ProExcellency may offer post-training support, where you can reach out for clarifications or additional guidance as you apply your knowledge to real-world projects. Proven track record. Many learners choose ProExcellency for their training due to the provider's proven track record of successful training delivery and positive feedback from past students. Thank you.